Hi, this is Eric with Forge Gone Conclusions. Today we're going to be repairing this Dragonfly brooch and turning it into a pendant. So this poor Dragonfly, these opals are all damaged. We have missing diamond, and what happened to this was it got ran over and crushed. So we have to actually rebuild this under gallery, repair all the bends that are on it. We're going to be removing this brooch pin and attaching a bail onto it. And then once we get the structure fixed, we'll be able to put the stones in, make sure that all the rest of the stones are tight, repair any prongs that need work. And we actually have custom cut triangles, opal triangles to replace all of these broken ones. So the first step is we're going to remove these opals. We have our Dragonfly. It's had these opals removed. We're gonna take apart the extra things on this, the pin. So we're gonna remove that next, and we're gonna work on rebuilding all the bridge work under here, and then we're gonna worry about making sure that all these stones are all set. We removed the pin section from this, so now we're going to start worrying about correcting all the bridging. So like this one here is completely crushed and a lot of it's bent, so that's our next step. We're going to do some torch work to it now. We've got some under gallery areas that need repair. We're going to patch those, and then we're going to do a little bit of a touch up to the top of the Dragonfly. Our Dragonfly has had some metal work done to it. We're going to shape that and carve some of it down. In order to give it more support while I press down and bead over the prongs and tighten everything up, we put jet set up underneath, so that way when you press down you've got a firm support, and that way it doesn't like crush in the metal. Now I'm going to start rounding over the prongs and making sure all the stones are tight. We have a bail here. This bail is going to go on the inside, right where these blue marks are, and that's going to make the bail hidden, and the chain will run through it, and the Dragonfly will look like it's will hang like this and look like it's darting. We cut all of our opals. They're all polished and sized to the wings there. We're gonna do some polishing to the Dragonfly, clean it up, and then we'll set the stones. We completed our Dragonfly. Originally it was crushed and it had extensive damage to the wings. We went through, repaired all the damage, reset some stones, custom cut some opal to put into the wings, and here we go. It's done. Well, thanks for joining me as we repaired this Dragonfly. This is Eric with Forge Gone Conclusions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you.